Standard First. Subject English. Chapter Look, Listen and Say. Welcome, children. Let's start with today's English session. Today, we will learn some letters such as B, C, P and T. See these pictures. Let's read them. B for boy. B for bat. B for bag. B for ball. Now let's spell them as well. B-O-Y, boy. B-A-T, bat. B-A-G, bag. B-A-L-L, ball. Let's learn some more words beginning with B and spell them. आता मला बी वरून सुरू होणारे आणखी शब्द सांगा पाहू. बन. Yes. B for B-U-N, bun. Big. Yes. B for B-I-G, big. Bug. B for B-U-G, bug. Bin. Yes. B for B-I-N, bin. Now let's read the words for letter C. C for cat. C for clock. C for cap. C for cock. Now let's spell them. C-A-T, cat. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-A-P, cap. C-O-C-K, cock. Let's learn some more words starting with C. C-A-N, can. C-U-P, cup. C-A-K-E, cake. C-O-M-B, comb. Now we will read words starting with letter P. P for parrot. P for pot. P for pan. P for pond. Now let's spell them. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-O-T, pot. P-A-N, pan. P-O-N-D, pond. Now it's time to learn some more words starting with letter P. P-I-G, pig. P-I-N, pin. P-U-P, pup. P-E-N, pen. Now we will read words with letter T. T for tap. T for tank. T for top. T for toy. Let's spell them. T-A-P, tap. T-A-N-K, tank. T-O-P, top. T-O-Y, toy. Some more words starting with letter T are T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-I-L, tail. T-A-G, tag. T-I-N, tin. Let's play a fun game. You have to match the same objects. Ball. Ball. Top. Top. Dish. Dish. Jar. Jar. Very good, children.